Mastering the art of instant connection. How to connect with anyone straight away. Welcome to the hub for personal development and effective communication. Today, we're diving into the intriguing topic of building instant connections with people. Whether you're at a networking event, a social gathering, or just meeting someone new, the ability to connect immediately can open doors to meaningful relationships. Stay tuned as we explore actionable tips on connecting with anyone directly. Strategy 1. Genuine eye contact. The eyes are the window to the soul, and making genuine eye contact is a powerful way to establish an instant connection. When you meet someone new, lock your eyes briefly and offer a warm, sincere smile. It communicates openness, confidence, and a genuine interest in the person you interact with. Expanding on this, research in social psychology highlights the importance of eye contact in building trust and connection. People are more likely to feel a connection with someone who maintains eye contact, as it signals attentiveness and authenticity. Beyond the initial visual connection, consider the impact of a friendly gaze on the person you're engaging with. The eyes convey a range of emotions and intentions, and a sincere look communicates a sense of warmth and approachability. This fundamental aspect of human communication sets the stage for more profound connections. Strategy 2. Mirroring body language. Another effective technique is mirroring, where you subtly mimic the body language of the person you're talking to. Mirroring creates a sense of rapport and helps establish a connection by signaling that you are in sync with the other person. Please pay attention to their posture, gestures, and even their pace of speech, and try to match these cues subtly. Digging deeper. Mirroring is a nonverbal communication that fosters a feeling of similarity and understanding. When done subtly, it can create a subconscious bond, making the other person feel more comfortable and connected. Consider the subtle dance of nonverbal cues during a conversation. By mirroring someone's body language, you send signals that you are on the same wavelength. This can be particularly effective in group settings where mirroring helps create a sense of unity, promoting a shared experience and understanding. Strategy 3. Active listening. One of the most potent ways to connect instantly is through active listening. Instead of waiting for your speech, focus intently on what the other person is saying. Ask open-ended questions, nod in agreement, and show genuine interest in their perspective. This deepens the conversation and makes the person feel valued and understood. Expanding on this, active listening involves hearing the words and paying attention to the emotions and nuances behind them. Research in communication studies emphasizes the positive impact of active listening on relationship building and connection. Think about the last time someone truly listened to you, not just hearing the words, but understanding the underlying emotions. By being an active listener, you create a space for meaningful exchanges. This sense of being listened to is a powerful catalyst for instant connection, as it establishes a foundation of mutual respect and understanding. Strategy 4. Authenticity and vulnerability. Authenticity is magnetic. Be genuine. Be yourself. Don't be afraid to share a bit of vulnerability. Opening up about your own experiences or challenges creates an immediate sense of authenticity and can encourage the other person to reciprocate. Research in social psychology suggests that sharing vulnerabilities fosters a more profound connection by breaking down emotional barriers. It communicates that you are human, like them, and creates a shared understanding space. Consider the concept of vulnerability as a bridge between people. When you share a personal experience or a challenge you've faced, you're inviting the other person into your world. This act of openness creates a unique bond, fostering empathy and understanding, critical components of any genuine connection. Strategy 5. Find common ground. Discover shared interests or experiences early in the conversation. Finding common ground creates camaraderie, whether it's a mutual hobby, a similar background, or even a shared goal. It's the foundation for building a connection beyond the surface level. Social identity theory suggests that people categorize themselves and others into social groups based on shared characteristics. Finding common ground aligns you with the same group, fostering a sense of belonging and connection. Think about the last time you met someone and discovered a shared interest. The excitement of realizing you both enjoy the same hobby or have experienced similar challenges is unparalleled. This shared connection forms the basis for a deeper relationship, providing a platform for future interactions and collaborations. Strategy 6. Positive body language. Your body language speaks volumes. Maintain an open and positive posture. Avoid crossing your arms as it can signal defensiveness. Instead, keep your body language relaxed, use friendly gestures, and lean slightly toward the person you're talking to. Positive body language contributes significantly to the overall perception of warmth and connection. Delving deeper, studies in nonverbal communication highlight the impact of positive body language on first impressions. An open and welcoming posture makes you approachable and improves a more positive and instant connection. Consider the universal language of body gestures. A warm smile, an open stance, and engaging gestures all contribute to the overall atmosphere of a conversation. When your body language aligns with a positive and receptive demeanor, you create an environment that encourages connection. It's the nonverbal invitation that says, "I am here, I am open, and I am ready to connect." Strategy 7. Use the power of compliments. Compliments are like social glue. Offering a sincere compliment can create an immediate positive connection. It shows you are observant, appreciative, and willing to express positivity. Keep it genuine and specific to make a lasting impression. Digging deeper, research in psychology suggests that receiving a compliment activates the same neural regions associated with reward. Compliments, when sincere, trigger positive emotions and contribute to the overall sense of connection. Think about the last time you received a genuine compliment. It's more than just words. It's a gesture that communicates recognition and appreciation. By offering sincere compliments, you uplift the other person and establish a positive connection. Compliments act as a bridge, connecting individuals through shared positivity and acknowledgement. There you have it, folks. 7 actionable strategies to help you connect with anyone straight away. Whether navigating professional settings, social gatherings, or making new friends, these techniques are your keys to unlocking instant connections. If you found these tips helpful, remember to hit the like button, share this video, and subscribe for more insights on effective communication. Until next time, go out there and master the art of instant connection. Cheers.